Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE NEXUS 4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Wi-Fi settings. In the beginning, let's go to camera menu by pressing this button and go to system setup. Enter Wi-Fi, and here you can enable Wi-Fi auto on. You can change Wi-Fi mode and check Wi-Fi password and SSID. To check if Wi-Fi is enabled, take a look right here. To enable it, press and hold this button, select it, and Wi-Fi is enabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.